This is nice. So, guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Anu Olatunji, the founder of Anu Olatunji Foundation. Don't play. You're gonna learn, and you will learn in a hard way. Come on, guys. So this morning, actually, I want to take you to a stop to a smoothie. I want to teach you how to make your smoothie as in rich one. You know, fruit is so healthy to your body. Please make sure you're eating a lot of fruit. It's essential. So let's go. As I make my smoothies, let me show you the fruit, the type of fruit you needed to look for if you are in love or if you are a lover of smoothie. Okay, let's see. Right, first of all, you have to get your strawberry banana. You have to your lactide or oat milk. You have your grapes. I have my grape. I have my strawberry. I have my watermelon. I have banana. My brother and sister, are you ready to follow me? Okay. All right, we are on the, you know, we are heading to the conclusion. Yo! So make sure you take care of your hand when you are cutting this. You cut the melon. I am still watching the watermelon. God, I beg you. How many of you have you tried this thing before? Please, my dear, try oh. Try it though. Try oh. Some people cannot take they cannot take watermelon this way unless they blend it. You know? You see? That is the melon. I'm gonna pull my banana. Oops. Right there. I'm gonna pull my banana. I'm gonna pull my banana. I'm gonna pull my banana. So let's see. I'm coming, guys. Okay. Now, so this is my smoothie. Let me show you. So I'm gonna be putting milk. I'm gonna be putting milk. I don't know if you are seeing me. I'm gonna be putting milk. This is so delicious. Then you put your ice cream. Strawberry banana. This is strawberry banana, of course. Though I have the fruit strawberry, but this is also a strawberry. Oh my God. Ooh. This is yummy. God. God, have mercy, oh. Have mercy, oh. Have mercy, oh. Have mercy, oh. It's too much. too much, guys, right? I am blending my smoothie. Oh, we still have some. Let me see if I can still put some banana. Can I still put one banana? Let's see. I want the banana too. I know. Have the. So, wow. I'm coming, guys. Okay. This is nice. Um, it's nice. I want to try it.